Welcome back to Tech Haven. Today we're exploring the fascinating evolution of unmanned aerial vehicles, commonly known as drones. From their early beginnings to their multifaceted roles today, let's uncover the history of these remarkable machines. The concept of pilotless aircraft dates back to the First World War. In 1917, Britain tested the Aerial Target, a small radio-controlled aircraft. Around the same time, the United States developed the Kettering Bug, an early aerial torpedo. Although innovative, neither saw combat deployment during the war. Advancements continued between the wars. In 1935, the British introduced the .82 billion Durham's Queen Bee, a radio-controlled aircraft used for target practice. It's believed that the term drone originated from this model's name. Drones saw significant use during the Vietnam War, primarily for reconnaissance missions. They also served as decoys, launched missiles at fixed targets, and disseminated leaflets for psychological operations. Today, drones serve diverse functions, from monitoring climate change and aiding in disaster relief, to capturing stunning aerial footage and delivering packages. Their versatility has made them integral to numerous industries. However, their most notable and contentious application remains in military operations. Post 9/11, the United States significantly increased drone usage for surveillance and targeted strikes. While effective in neutralizing threats, drone strikes have sparked ethical debates, especially concerning civilian casualties. The journey of drones from rudimentary pilotless vehicles to sophisticated tools underscores rapid technological progress. As drones become more prevalent, it's crucial to balance innovation with ethical considerations. Thanks for joining us on this historical exploration. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content. Until next time.